In set notation, a bracket means that value is included. Given an inequality like x is less than or equal to 2, the set of numbers that could be x are the number 2 and everything below 2 down to negative infinity, parentheses, a negative symbol, and an infinity symbol, which is the number 8 laying down on its side, and parentheses. Remember that infinity is not a number, but a concept of either ever increasing numbers in the case of positive infinity, and ever increasing negative numbers in the case of negative infinity. The parentheses and the brackets are used to describe a set of numbers where the parentheses does not include the number, and the bracket does. So, x is less than or equal to 2 would be represented by parentheses negative infinity comma 2 bracket. The parentheses is used on the negative infinity side because negative infinity is not a number and therefore cannot be included, and therefore uses a parentheses. The 2 is included, and therefore a bracket is used to show the 2 is included. Another way of representing this set is negative infinity is less than x, which is less than or equal to 2, which says that the set is between negative infinity and 2, with the 2 included. Let's consider another example like x is greater than negative 3. This is the set of numbers greater than negative 3 and continuing to infinity, which is a concept of numbers that increase forever. We can represent the set of numbers as negative 3 is less than x, which is less than infinity, or parentheses negative 3 comma infinity parentheses, where a parentheses is used next to the negative 3 to say that the negative is not included, and a parentheses is used on the infinity to say that infinity is not included, because infinity is not a number, but a concept. Other symbols in math of inclusion or exclusion are the solid dot, open dot, and the solid line and the dashed line. A bracket includes the number, and a parentheses does not include the number. Antonyms, the parentheses. Related words, solid dot, open dot, solid line, dashed line.